What if resolving an incident also fixed the documentation without letting AI publish anything until a human approves it? I built a small Node app around that very idea. Everything starts in Box, so you have resolved incidents, approved knowledge, and a folder for review drafts. To kick it off, all I do is change one metadata value on the file. From there, a Box webhook wakes up the app, with no manual polling and no button to press. Box AI extracts the reusable facts from the incident, then compares them against an existing Box hub. It then decides whether to update an article, create one, or leave the knowledge base alone. The recommendation then becomes a review document with its reasoning, sources, target article, and proposed content. Then, the app also assigns a real Box review task. It also sends a human reviewer a Slack message with a link back to Box. Now, nothing gets published automatically. Once a person approves in Box, another webhook resumes the workflow and applies the exact reviewed change. At this point, the hub stays current, the approved article has a new version, and the original incident has become reusable operational knowledge. In the end, Box content becomes a foundation for governed, AI-powered workflows while keeping people in control. Come check it out on GitHub and build your own.